Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. A 12-year-old boy is dead while his mother is hospitalized after they were ambushed by gunmen in traffic along Lindsay Crescent in St. Andrew this morning. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
The St. Andrew North Police is investigating a fatal gun attack on a family Friday morning. It happened on Lindsay Crescent in St. Andrew at around 7 a.m. According to the police, a woman, her son, and another person were in a blue Mercedes-Benz when, upon reaching the traffic light on Dunrobin, a motorcycle with two men pulled up and opened fire on the vehicle.
A Mercedes-Benz was driving along the roadway when it stopped at the intersection, during which a motorcycle drove up with two men on scene. The pillion pulled a firearm and pointed it at the vehicle and opened gunfire. When the shooting stopped, it was discovered that two persons in this vehicle were injured, to include a 12-year-old was later pronounced dead at the University of the West Indies Hospital.
The deceased boy has been identified as 12-year-old Kevon Ferron. His mother, a businesswoman, was also shot and injured. The third person who was in the vehicle managed to escape injury-free. Head of the Constant Spring Police Station, Superintendent Randy Sweeney, says the circumstances surrounding the attack remains unclear.
This time, we cannot confirm the motive or any theory for this particular shooting. Nonetheless, I'm asking any member of the public who have any information that can help the police to please reach out to the Constant Spring Police Station.
The shooting, which happened in peak hours, left motorists nervous and traumatized. TVJ News reached out to a motorist who described himself as a sitting duck. There was nowhere to hide in the traffic, he responded. The incident resulted in bumper-to-bumper traffic along Washington Boulevard, Red Hills Road, and Malines Road. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.